We will guide you through how to add multiple sets of data to one chart in Excel. If you find this useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. In this example, I have two sets of data to add. First, go to the top of Excel and click on Insert. Go to Charts and choose the type of chart you want to use. I will be using a scatter plot, so I will select that. Here's a blank chart which we will position to the right. With the chart selected, click on Chart Design and then select Data. In the Select Data Source window, go to the left and click on Add. Give this data series a name. I will name it 2020. For series X value, click in the box, then click the arrow on the right and select the data you want for the x-axis, which in this case is rainfall. Press the downward arrow to confirm. Next, for series Y values, delete the current entries. Click the upward arrow and select the corresponding data, which for me is people. Press the downward arrow to confirm and click OK. To add another data set, click Add again, name the series 2021, choose the X value, rainfall, and press the downward arrow, then select the Y values, which people. Press the downward arrow again and click OK. If you want to add more data sets, repeat the process by clicking Add again. Once you have finished, click OK. Finally, go to the top left, click the Chart Elements button, and you can start adding titles or other elements if desired. That's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also like this video. Thanks for watching.